I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your iPhone connecting then disconnecting from charger. So basically the main problem behind this is gonna be physical problem rather than like the internal problem of iPhone, because if you're facing like an internal problem from this, then there's two ways to fix it. One is basically just switch off your phone and turn it on again. Try the charging port and it should work. And the other thing, if it is still not working after doing that, what you can do is switch off your phone and then charge it. And after your phone is fully charged, then turn it on again. And what's the difference between this is this time your phone is turned off, then your charging is happening, because sometimes due to some bug your phone is not gonna charge when it's like on, so you need to switch it off, charge it, and then turn it on, and then it's gonna work. All right, but if both of this feature didn't work, then the problem is basically gonna be from outside, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix it, or telling you guys. The outer problem could be like there's a lot of dust and debris in your charging port. So due to like there's gonna be a hole where you guys can put the charging port on your iPhone, right? So what can happen is a lot of dust and debris gets collected over there, so you can use like a thing to poke it. So what you can do is remove the dust and debris. So if you guys have like a soft brush, you can try to remove it yourself. But if you're trying to poke in sharp metal object, please don't do that. Your charging port will be destroyed. So if you have something you can clean with, you can clean it. If you don't know how you can do it yourself, take it to a repair shop like Apple Care or like Apple Repair Center, and they'll clean it for you and it should work. And even after cleaning, if it didn't work, then basically like your charging cable might have a defect in it, because like the cable might be broken in like some part. So try to change the cable or use your friend's cable. And if your friend's cable also didn't work, then basically it's not a problem with the cable. But if your friend's cable worked but yours didn't, then basically it might be the fault in your cable. The other is your charging brick. Your charging brick, which is also called adapter, might also be broken. So try like charging your iPhone on another adapter. If it works, good for you, then your adapter is broken. If it doesn't, then your adapter is not broken. Even after changing the adapter, your iPhone didn't charge, then your adapter is not broken. And in this case, you need to take your iPhone to iPhone Repair Center and give it to a specialist, and they'll fix it. All right, because do not try to open up your iPhone yourself. If you do not know how to fix it, do not. All right.